Hims and Hers Pharmacy Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we'll dive into an honest review of Hims and Hers Pharmacy, covering its features, services, and who it's best suited for. Links to the products mentioned are included in the description below for your convenience. Hims and Hers is an online telehealth platform that offers a wide range of prescription medications, over-the-counter products, and wellness services. Their offerings span from hair loss treatments and skincare to mental health services and sexual health products. One of the standout features is its telehealth consultation service, where users can connect with licensed healthcare professionals from the comfort of their own home. The platform provides discreet access to treatments, eliminating the need for in-person visits or uncomfortable conversations at the pharmacy. The services are designed for those looking for convenience, affordability, and privacy, especially in areas such as hair loss, anxiety, depression, and sexual wellness. Hims and Hers also makes it easy to manage ongoing prescriptions with auto-ship options, ensuring that you never run out of your medication. The website is user-friendly, with a seamless process from consultation to delivery, and customer service is easily accessible for any issues that arise. However, it's important to note that not all services are available in every state, so availability may vary. Overall, Hims and Hers is a great option for those who prioritize convenience, privacy, and telehealth accessibility. If you're looking for a discreet and easy way to access prescription and wellness products, this platform might be worth exploring. Make sure to check out the links in the description to learn more.